Hi Jay, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. Hey, we've got several more that's going to be dropping to our dealership within the next several days. Now you didn't specify package, make no mistake. The 3.8, which is the 6-cylinder, has several different packages that are affiliated with that, as well as the 5.0 that's got everything. This is a luxurious car. The body style is the Genesis 2.0, the second series of the fluidic body sculpture. But I want to tell you the most important thing, Jay, that is the America's Best warranty. You've got a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate. My cell number is 205-907-4700. You can have me paged out at the dealership, 205-380-6250. I look forward to speaking with you and working with you on that specific design and package you are looking for. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you so much.